In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or just learning the ropes of accounting, creating a balance sheet is essential to knowing your financial status. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, the first step you'll want to take is clicking on Sign In to access your QuickBooks account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up so you can follow along with the video. Once you've clicked Sign In, the next thing you'll need to do is choose QuickBooks Online. This action directs you to the appropriate site where we can start generating our balance sheet. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your login credentials. Enter your username and password and then hit continue. If you're concerned about security, remember that using two-factor authentication can add an extra layer of protection to your financial data. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate to the all-important section for report generation. Head over to the Reports tab. This section houses various reports that QuickBooks can generate, but today our focus is solely on the balance sheet. Once you're in the Reports tab, you'll want to make use of the search functionality. Start by typing in balance sheet into the search bar. QuickBooks will immediately start filtering the reports to bring up the balance sheet option. After the search results are displayed, click on the balance sheet link. This brings up your balance sheet, which is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of what your company owns and what it owes, as well as the amount invested by shareholders. Now, let's talk customization. QuickBooks Online offers some flexibility here. You can adjust the reporting period if you need to focus on a specific date range or financial year. This is particularly helpful if you need insights for quarterly reporting or an annual review. Finally, with just a few clicks, you've successfully created and accessed your balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. This financial statement is a powerful tool that can help you understand your business's financial well-being and make informed decisions moving forward. Remember, getting comfortable with these features can take some practice, but having regular access to your balance sheet is invaluable for monitoring your business's financial health. So take the time to explore and familiarize yourself with other reports too. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide to creating a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more business and financial management tutorials. Until next time, Pete, take care, Gary.